Binance versus Robinhood investment apps. Choosing the right platform can completely change how you grow your investments without unnecessary fees or limited options. Binance offers extensive crypto trading, while Robinhood focuses on stocks and simplicity. Binance and Robinhood are popular investment apps but serve different needs. Binance specializes in cryptocurrency trading with a vast selection, while Robinhood provides commission-free stock and crypto trading with a straightforward interface. The core difference is depth versus simplicity. Binance is a comprehensive cryptocurrency exchange and investment platform designed for both beginners and advanced traders. It operates globally, offering access to hundreds of cryptocurrencies, futures, options, and staking services. Binance works by connecting users to a deep liquidity pool, enabling fast trades at competitive rates. Its strengths include a wide range of crypto assets, advanced charting tools, and low trading fees. Binance also supports margin trading and offers educational resources for users to improve their trading skills. However, the platform can be complex for beginners due to its extensive features and interface, which may feel overwhelming. Additionally, regulatory restrictions in some countries can limit access or features. Binance is ideal for users who want to actively trade cryptocurrencies, explore advanced investment options, and benefit from a global ecosystem with low fees and high liquidity. For those focused primarily on crypto with a willingness to learn, Binance delivers unmatched depth and flexibility. More details can be found on Binance.com. Robinhood is an investment app focused on simplicity and accessibility, offering commission-free trading of stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. It operates primarily in the US and appeals to casual investors and beginners. Robinhood works by providing a clean, easy-to-use mobile app that simplifies investing without complicated fees or minimum balances. Its strengths lie in its straightforward design, instant deposits, and ability to trade fractional shares, making investing affordable and approachable. However, Robinhood offers a limited selection of cryptocurrencies compared to specialized exchanges and lacks advanced trading tools. It also faces scrutiny over outages and regulatory challenges, which may concern some users. Robinhood is ideal for users who want to invest in stocks and crypto casually, prefer a simple interface, and value commission-free trades. It's a great entry point for new investors focused on US markets and straightforward investing without the need for advanced features. Visit Robinhood.com for full details. Comparing Binance and Robinhood highlights clear trade-offs. Binance excels in cryptocurrency variety, advanced tools, and low fees, making it perfect for active crypto traders and those seeking diverse investment options. For example, a trader looking to leverage futures or stake tokens will find Binance's ecosystem unmatched. On the other hand, Robinhood shines with its simplicity, commission-free stock trading, and user-friendly design, ideal for beginners or those focused on US equities and casual crypto investing. A casual investor wanting to buy fractional shares of popular stocks or limited crypto assets will appreciate Robinhood's ease of use. However, Binance's complexity can be a barrier for newcomers, while Robinhood's limited crypto choices and occasional platform issues might frustrate more advanced users. Ultimately, Binance offers depth and flexibility, while Robinhood prioritizes accessibility and simplicity. Choose Binance if you want extensive cryptocurrency options, advanced trading tools, and lower fees, especially suited for experienced traders focused on crypto markets. Option Samura versus Matcha, which I prefer simple, is on the depth of market insights, docket and casual crypto investing, ideal for beginners or those prioritizing ease of use. Both apps serve different needs, so pick the one that aligns with your investment goals.